Jonnesway, I'm not sure. It's video time. Alright, just back with another quick little video right here. Try to make this one quick for you. Just want to take a picture of this torque wrench, this type of thing. Man, this thing is nice. It's a big, heavy duty torque wrench. Jonnesway, I'm not sure how to pronounce it. I'm going to try to get a model number for you. I'll try to get you to be able to see it a little bit better than you can just in still pictures. We're going to try to videotape this. You can see it's even got a lock on it. There's even a little lock right here that goes with this. In my opinion, this doesn't even appear to have ever been used. This is, I mean, I'm not wrong. It's a T07600F. Jonnesway. I don't know. It might have been used just a bit there. Let's see here. Let's see what the paperwork shows. Calibration 2011. So it could have been. We don't know. There's another piece of paperwork. T07600F. I see a few scratches around the head of this. I'm gonna tell you what. If they use this, man, they took good care of it. I don't think it's been used. There's got a few scratches on it, just very light scratches around the head. There's conversion tables in the case. Like I say, it comes in this green case. I didn't even think to check right here and see. It is 3/4 inch. Sorry with the camera there. So 3/4 inch drive. Torque wrench, heavy duty. See, it's green and orange. .43 inches long. It's approximately 43 inches long. You can see Newton meters. Video's going longer than I thought. Newton meters 813.5 pounds. Foot pounds is going up to 600 foot pounds on the top end. Looks like 100 on the bottom, the way it's set right now. I'll try to get more specs. That's it. I mean, nice condition. I mean, literally, if you can see a few scratches there on the head, I really don't think this has ever even been used. You see the lever goes back and forth. Heavy duty torque wrench. I got a couple more torque wrenches. I got another big one that's even bigger than this, way longer than this, that we're gonna be, it's already for sale, but we're gonna be getting some more video of it as well.